60-Inch Club started from an idea to be extraordinary in every way. Words that come to mind are success, gratitude, perseverance, burning desire to experience the world. These people are extraordinary. They love adventure, adversity. They love to be challenged. I mean, what kind of a person desires and enjoys coming to an uninhabited place in the Northern Hemisphere to experience the challenges of success? What kind of person does that? What kind of person desires that, strives for that? That kind of excellence, that kind of challenge that can be the end of them or can lift them up into new heights. These are the kind of people that come to 60-Inch Club. These kind of people push themselves to the limits and beyond. These people are extraordinary. And for those of you who are not, it's okay, because the same kind of people that strive for this kind of excellence strive to help you. They help you become your best. Only extreme hunters welcome these challenges. If for any reason but to show themselves that they can do anything they set their hearts to. If this isn't you, that's okay, because we will get you there. That's what we do. That's what's in our heart. That's innate in each and every one of us that strive for excellence, that push ourselves to limits that are beyond our control at some point in time, to put ourselves into situations that we don't necessarily know the outcome. And we call this hunting. Hunting in the Northern Hemisphere of the world, where the weather is the most extreme on planet Earth. And we expose ourselves to these challenges. We love this kind of challenge. We put ourselves in these situations to test our soul. And that's what drives extreme hunters that come to places like this, that come to these really challenging places of the world to push their limits. And all for what? Nobody's here to say I'm the best hunter in the world. I'm here to be the best in the world. We are here to prove to ourselves that we have what it takes to be the best in the world, if only in our own minds. If only nobody sees the journey, we still do it. If nobody notices on Facebook, we still do it. If we don't tell anybody but our closest friends, loved ones, or family, we still do it. We do it because that's who we are. We do it because when we're done with that journey and we go back to our everyday lives, we are better. We have grown mentally. That's what 60-Inch Club is all about. The members that make 60-Inch Club, that's what is 60-Inch Club. I love being a part of 60-Inch Club. It's what I do. It's what I'm all about. That's what me and Linda are all about. We push ourselves. We're extreme pilots. We are extreme adventurers, just like you. And people that are extreme draw extreme. For those of you that don't feel that you're to that extreme, it's still in your heart. You still have the desire. That means you are extreme. You just want the tools to get you there, to experience that, if only for once, because once you get extreme, there's no going back. We help to bring that out of you and show you success and to build your confidence in ways you never thought possible. 60-Inch Club, it's who we are. It's time for you to join the club. Here, be sure to click the subscribe button, and when you do that, hit that bell and it'll help notify you the next time I have another training video coming out, or a video like this here, just telling you and giving you some great information on where to go on your next Alaskan adventure.